I ask you to be so I could ask you the first question once more, because I think there was a lot of noise out there. The question about what is a Khalifa, you know. So are you ready? Okay. When I hear the word Khalifa, I get a lot of very childish imaginations, because when I was a child, my father read fairy tales about Khalifs. So could you tell me, what is a Khalif?
You see, Khalif is a word which can be applied in two different connotations. Number one, strictly in Islamic terminology, a Khalif is one who deputizes a person who was appointed by God. After his demise, a deputy is elected, and he is elected for the purpose of performing the same tasks as his previous master did. This is Khalifa, not Khalif, but Khalifa in Islamic terminology. Later on, this term was applied loosely to all the Muslim sovereigns, while they were not religious heads. They were just heads of states. So their behavior or misbehavior was unfortunately relegated to the image of Caliph, and the image of Caliph, the word Caliph got damaged because of their misbehavior in some places.
Thank you so much.